Okay, so I'm here to show you this eye makeup look. I didn't do my full face just because I feel like it's the same routine, but I will leave all the products that I used on my face listed down below. Yeah, I don't have anything else to say other than I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. this is the completed look. I don't know why this hair won't stay. This is the completed look. I did this look on like last week and I posted it on Instagram, and you guys was just like, can you please do a tutorial, because I was not going to do a tutorial on this look, but I love the way it looks. I love the way it came out both times. So yeah, let me know down below other makeup tutorials that you would like to see. I will be starting the colorful Disney Princess series sometime either this week or next week, so stay tuned for that. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.